Hi, I'm Ulrich Tonemann and I welcome you to the video abstract on our paper on newsvendor biases in the real world. The newsvendor problem has been intensively analyzed, analytically and in controlled laboratory experiments. When you search for the terms newsvendor, laboratory, experiment on Google Scholar, you can find hundreds of papers that identify and discuss newsvendor biases. However, it was unclear whether these biases also exist in practice. And this seemed to us to be a quite crucial question. In our paper, we have addressed it by analyzing the ordering decisions of a manufacturer who operates in a newsvendor type setting. My co-authors will next explain the setting, the research context, and the managerial implications of our research.
Thank you, Ulrich. We started with this research while we worked with a large retail company. The retail company offers a wide assortment of many different products, and that also includes bakery products. What is quite interesting about those bakery products is that these are single-day products for the company, which means that whatever is left over at the end of the day has to be discarded. Those bakery products are actually produced by an external manufacturer, and the retailer wants to achieve an in-stock probability of 70% across all the products. So, for example, if the manufacturer achieves a higher service level for one product, it would be okay to achieve a lower service level for another product, as long as on average they achieve an in-stock probability of 70%. So we wanted to better understand which role decision biases play in the setting, and hopefully this work will help retail companies to reduce food waste and increase customer satisfaction by avoiding stockouts. I will now hand over to Michael, who is going to talk about the research questions that we wanted to address.
For our specific setting, we firstly addressed the question of how the manufacturer should achieve the overall service level. This is not as easy as in a simple single product newsvendor model, and we wanted to identify the relevant product characteristics that the manufacturer should account for to efficiently achieve the service level. Based on this, we were able to analyze actual decisions of the manufacturer and test whether he's able to incorporate these individual product characteristics properly. Based on previous behavioral operations literature, we additionally modeled different behavioral biases and tested which biases are observable in our setting and how those biases impact efficiency of the inventory decisions. And so Stefan will now tell you about managerial implications of our findings.
Thank you, Michael, for the description of the research context. Our results show that despite that well-known behavioral decision-making biases are present, the decision maker still achieves an overall availability service level of 70%. However, this is achieved at a profit loss of 7.9% by not differentiating enough the individual target service levels. This is primarily by a too simplified group aggregation heuristic used, where different targets are split between make and buy products, and in particular by differentiating into more groups, like in an ABC classification, we would be able to order more from products with higher margins or lower variability and achieve considerable profit improvements.